Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be doing an interior mod and be changing out my center console for the wood grain trim that surrounds the console. You can get the wood grain trim and the carbon fiber insert trim. I ended up finding the wood grain, and which is terrific because my car has the existing wood grain throughout the entire car, and it's quite a rare addition. I've only seen, this is probably the only Prelude I've actually seen this particular style of wood grain. There's another one that looks slightly different to this but doesn't look as nice, but in my opinion this is the best looking one that I've ever seen in a Prelude personally. But I have it everywhere there, even around the cluster. I'll be changing this one out for the wood grain one. The carbon fiber one are just as hard to find, if not really expensive. As we all know, Prelude stuff is just getting expensive or obsolete. For those of an automatic, make sure your transmission's in neutral, because you won't be able to get the console out without fighting with it. And for you guys that don't know how to take out a console, you just pull this cover off for starters. Just clips holding it on. Screw right there. So once you take this screw out, you take that one on the side there, you take the other 3 screws out, and you repeat the same process on the other side. Once all the screws are out, just move your seat all the way back. You just lift it from the back side up, and just be aware there will be a cable connected for your ashtray. Your ashtray has a light. You have to disconnect that cable for it. Just a quick look with it bare. There's a lot of screws to take out to get the trim out. Now I just removed that center piece to put in my original one that came with the car, because my original one is in perfect condition with no scratches, and I want to keep the originality as much as possible and keep the original dash that came with the car. Just put the insert in the center console. I'll take that one out.
I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
And don't forget about your hardware, like your clip,
I feel like I'm
for your light, for your cigarette, your ashtray. Okay guys, all installed. Looks terrific. Matches the rest of the trim. Really pleased. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, it's not the exact pattern, but it will do. Looks great from all angles. Sort of a nice touch, nice bling. If only I can do something about this ashtray. Oh well. If you guys like this type of Prelude content, by all means, you know how to make that happen. See you all next time.